Keep the energy up. Put your hands together now. Front, top, back. Somebody, somebody. Hey, 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 hey. Tatawa sa ating kaibigan ang nangangarap naghahanap ng kaibigan, nagtataka, nagtatanong kung kailan kami papakikinggan, kung gusto nyo kami subukan. Bakit hindi nyo subukan? Subukan nyo kami pigilan. Subukan nyo kami. Oy, ang awit niya, ang awit niya, hanggang sa akin na bukasan, awitin natin. Ayaw. Kabataan, panahon, kabataan, may hulahagan, diba? Awitin natin, awitin natin, awitin natin. Ayaw. Awitin natin, awitin natin, awitin natin. Ayaw. Oy, 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 we're gonna roll tonight. Sunshine on the road tonight. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Let's start a war.
Right down on beat down on the classic, here's a countdown. I try to warn you from dangers, but you'll just laugh out loud. Haha, hero that's dying for the same dream. I pose a question, you answer, they may be following me. So I'll take you deep out the sun, recognizing that living is everyday situation. Only been here 2 days, already asking for the payday. Here we go, back to preschool, 1, 2, 3, ABC.
Pwede bang malaman kung saan patungo ang daan nito? Pwede ba sa gitna ng gulo?
At ngayon, tila'y malapit na ang kalayaan. Sa kuko ng dala ng dilim, bakit ako naating? Tuwing humihiyaw ang damdamin ng salin lahi ko, iisa bang tunog sa puso at yapak ng kapwa ko, sira ulo.
In the next track,
From the flames I'm reborn, chance to free my soul. From the bottom locked down, chance to free my soul. Up to the point of surrender, chance to free my soul. Throughout the sunset, so right story never gets old. So it's out on my hands now. The future's looking mighty shiny and bright. How got people talking about the rules of the game, spot to change. Enjoy the rest of your motherfucking day.
pwede bang malaman kung saan patungo ang daan nito? Pwede ba sa gitna ng gulo?
At ngayon, tila'y malapit na ang kalayaan. Sa kuko ng dala ng dilim, bakit ako naaning? Tuwing humihiyaw ang damdamin ng saling lahi ko, iisa magtunog sa puso at yapak ng kapwa ko, sila ulo.